It's time for another classic Italian dish, and we're going to make some eggplant parmesan. And I started by cutting off the top of my eggplant, and then I'm going to slice quarter-inch slices, then lay the slices into a colander, generously salt them with kosher salt to leach out the bitter juices, then we'll rinse and pat them dry later on. In the meantime, I made a simple tomato sauce with some whole peeled tomatoes, some garlic, and olive oil. Then I pureed them in a food processor. And now to enrich the sauce, I'm going to add some oregano, thyme, and some tomato paste. And I'll let that heat up. Use it later in the casserole. Now the eggplant goes through a three-stage dredge of flour, egg, and breadcrumbs, and then we'll lightly fry it in olive oil until they're golden brown on both sides, and then we'll put them aside to drain. Now I've got my glass baking dish, and I'm going to ladle in about a cup of the tomato sauce first, spread that around, and then I'll put a layer of those eggplant slices on top. Then on top of the eggplant, I'll put some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan, as well as some basil leaves. And then I'll make another layer just like it. Then I've got a 350 oven preheating, and I'll bake it there for 45 minutes until the top is brown and bubbly. I've got a beautiful bottle of Chianti Classico waiting for this wonderful eggplant parmesan, and you can get the recipe for this fantastic Italian classic by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Mille grazie for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.